Corey Jokla, Product Manager at BOSS Snowplow. Today, we're introducing the updated and redesigned VSI by BOSS Brine Sprayer product line. These truck-mounted brine sprayers are controlled via the familiar VSI Spray Control App for complete control of the sprayer and are capable of advanced features like GPS speed-adjusted spraying and material tracking. This gives professional contractors and municipal operators the ability to de-ice consistently and efficiently every application. Combined with our engine and pump configuration, these units are capable of spraying post-treat application rates at 30-foot spray widths. The powerhead frame and tank skids are welded stainless steel. Work lights and strobe lights are standard. We've simplified the pump, plumbing, and valving configuration to improve reliability and ease of maintenance. Engine start and control module power is delivered with the CFT electrical system, the same connection as VBX Plus. Direct connection to the truck improves reliability and eliminates battery management issues. If your operation or truck application requires the flexibility of a standalone unit, the battery box and charger are available as an option. The 100-foot electric rewind hose reel is a bolt-on accessory. A handheld remote control is also available for operators that prefer that. VSI by BOSS brine sprayers are offered in 305, 500, 750, 1000, and 1600 gallon capacities to suit your operation and application. Reach out to your local BOSS dealer for more information.